I'm really excited today for today's recipe. So excited I am. A vegan salmon. How many times have you fucking done this? How many times? How many? How many? It's been a while since I made a video. Hi guys, and welcome back to another online gluten-free vegan recipe from yours truly, the Heathen Vegan. As always, I like to take a quick second just to thank you guys for taking time out of your day, for watching, for taking time out of your day, for tuning into my channel, for watching my videos and leaving likes and comments, and for most of all becoming subscribers. That's awesome, so thank you. And for those of you that are new to the channel and you're checking this out for the first time, whether you're thinking about converting to veganism or you're just looking to switch it up during the week from what you normally eat, welcome to my channel, and I hope you guys end up becoming subscribers also. I'm going to show you how to make gluten-free vegan Caesar dressing, and I'm also going to show you how to turn carrots, ta-da, into salmon. And it is, but they're all really super easy ingredients to acquire from your local grocery store. You're going to need a half a cup of vegan mayonnaise. My favorite one to use is Veganese. I think it tastes the best. You will also need a tablespoon of spicy brown mustard, roughly about three cloves of garlic. You'll also need 2 tablespoons of capers, and then you'll need 3 teaspoons of the caper brine. That's really important. That's what's going to make this Caesar dressing taste like your mainstream traditional Caesar dressing. You will also need 2 teaspoons of vegan Worcestershire sauce. I use the Wizards brand. It's phenomenal. Absolutely phenomenal. You'll also need a tablespoon of soy sauce. You'll need 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, a tablespoon of olive oil, 2 tablespoons of nutritional yeast, and then roughly about a tablespoon of white miso paste. In addition to that, you're going to season it up with some salt and pepper, and then some garlic and onion powder. And for the garlic and onion powder, you're going to use about a teaspoon each. Just make sure that when you are mixing it, that you mix it really good, because the white miso paste does take a quick second to get incorporated into the mixture. I've taken the liberty of putting my 3/4 of a cup of hot water into my mixing bowl already, and now I'm gonna put in the rest of my ingredients. I'm gonna put in my 2 sheets of nori seaweed, my 3 tablespoons of capers, my 2 tablespoons of rice vinegar, my 1 tablespoon of cherry cooking wine, my 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Do it with my finger. My 1 tablespoon of white miso paste, my 1 fact that we have white miso paste in our marinade, we have to make sure that we really stir this up good. Because the white miso paste, as it has been said, takes a quick second to really get integrated with the rest of the ingredients. Once that happens though, our carrots should be done with their ice bath and either peel them with a potato peeler or just slice them with a knife. And then we can let them marinate in our seafood mixture. We made Caesar dressing from scratch. We made it gluten-free. We made it vegan. We made a marinade to turn carrots into salmon. And that's also gluten-free and vegan. I mean, it doesn't really matter how you get the carrots sliced. I want to do them this way because of the fact that I want to make also not only for salad, but I also want to make smoked salmon lox. And I'm excited about that because of the fact that hopefully in a future video, I'm going to show you guys how to make gluten-free vegan crackers. So now I have my shredded carrots. One more time, I'm going to press the excess water out of them. It's almost like when you're making something out of tofu. You want to make sure that your tofu is as dry as possible. But we're not working with tofu, we're working with carrots. Which is why it's very important that when you're cooking your carrots, that they do not get mushy, that they get bone tender. Because as you drain the excess water out of